please be strong
Yes, I will.
and together with your family.
I think you should tell that to my mom kasi yun yung iyakin.
Yeah.
Ako walang problema
Laban
sa
yan eh.
akin. So,
Pareha sa papa.
Para kay tata
Very
yan eh.
important for us kasi kami mga Pilipino hindi talaga kami bibitiw hanggang sa dulo literal. Thank you, ha?
let me know ha.
Yes, I will.
Pero use yung main account mo.
Yes, I will.
So I have to,
Okay.
go through every single message and
I-message
it
lang
might
kita.
be hard for me.
Thank you so much.
Anong,
We always
sir, anong permente mo siya mag-itom?
Yeah. Ma'am? Oh, yeah.
So,
Exactly.
I
Dagay na
brought-
mata ng ano daw.
I
Sige ka
think
kito.
I brought like 15 pairs of these.
Okay.
Wow.
There you have it.
Kasi I don't want to have to wake up in the morning and then I have to think of what I need to wear. Like, there are more pressing matters to attend to. So,
That's
parang,
good.
okay, just wear black.
Yeah, that's good.
And makapayat ang black.
Guwapa.
Yeah. So, makapayat. Well, namayat man jud ko. Kay, I'm like my mom, malaman. Pero I was 60 plus. Oh my God. Pero now
Can you have message to the Filipino community all over the world personally? Your own conviction and your message to the Filipinos.
For me, honestly, I'm still a student, I'm young, so this isn't political to me. It's the man inside, he's my father, so I don't really, I put aside all the issues and then for me, it's just my father inside. So the kind of gratitude I feel towards the people who love him and support him, grabe yun. It's overwhelming and I'm very thankful. Kasi to me, he's not the mayor, he's not the president, he's not, yung tatay lang, ganun. So,
Dagang kayong salamat, Titi, because
grabe yung
you really inspired a lot of Filipinos. Your resilience, your mental strength, your character and endurance to go through all of this very difficult situation.
Sir,
Keep on fighting.
pwede pamunta na sa kwan? Itong opinion niya sa pag-endorse ni
Oh yeah. Do you
well,
have
we still have to talk about it as a family.
Okay.
I think that's it for now.
That's good. It's let's keep it like
Yeah.
that.
Nababasa kaya ni Tata yung mga sulat ng mga Pilipino
Yes,
around the
yes,
world?
we sent him all the letters,
Oh.
we packed them and then sent it to the facility.
Thank you for reading my letter sa imong birthday.
Yes, of course. Thank you so much. Let me know ha. Okay, syempre laagan man ko. So, if you wanna, in the Philippines, let me know. I know all the good spots.
My sister is studying in Athens, so
Oh, okay. I hope to meet her.
yeah, one day.
Can you send me her name?
Yes, thank you. I appreciate you a lot.
Kasi all of my mga barkada, ako kasi, yung mga friends ko, I have friends, but mostly acquaintances. So yung mga barkada ko talaga is childhood friends. All of them are from ADU, so they might know her.
Yeah, okay. She's studying psychology. Thank you, kay Titi.
Yeah, send me her name. Maybe we can,
Thank you, ha?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Titi. Hanggang sa dulo.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Salamat ka.
Habol lang sa sa mga supporters ni Tatay sa Japan at sa araw-araw sila dun.
Hi to the supporters of former President Duterte from KOJC community and those Filipino communities in Japan. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to every single one of you. Maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa aming pamilya at kay President Duterte. Mabuhay kayo.
Sa Toronto, Canada, ma'am.
Toronto. Okay, nakastart. Okay, hi also to the supporters of President Duterte in Toronto, Canada. Maraming salamat sa inyo. God bless you, mabuhay kayo, and ayun, sana magkita-kita tayo lahat. Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat. Salamat, ma'am.
Intigwo pa kay Titi. I really hate
I try.